Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Code Hero. So today in this video I am going to give you a complete setup guide towards installing the Android Studio. I have already made a video on deleting the Android Studio completely, but let's just start installing the Android Studio. First, go to your web browser and search for Android Studio. Then you have to go to the first site, click on download, and I will give this link in the description if you want, and then just click on download Android Studio, scroll down, click on the tick box and then download Android Studio, click on save. Now my Android Studio is downloaded, and if I run this setup, it will start the verify loader, and then you have to click on yes. A permission tab will open, then click on virtual device, just click on next, and our Android Studio will get started to install. Once our installation is completed, click on next and then finish. It will download some components. Since SDK is not found, you have to install it again, and just click on the boxes Android SDK, click on next, and these files will get downloaded. Click on next, and we have to accept the permission. Just click on accept, and all of the files will get the permission to download, and then click on next, and the download will start. So now our download is completed. You can see Android SDK is up to date. Just click on finish. So that's all for this video guys. I hope you like this video and it has solved all your doubts. Please like, share, comment on this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.